Hello guys, this is Pradeep. I have taken the topic devices. Today we will discuss how the data is collected on devices using Google Analytics. This presentation is for the course Informatics CS 419 instructed by Christiana Hedeyu. The discussion is targeted to a group of analysts. Here is the agenda for our discussion. We will have a look at the need of devices used for the website, how data is collected, and we analyze the data. Later we conclude our analysis with a few recommendations. Diving into devices and browsers can help us in concentrating more on the devices users are actually using. It's a well-known fact that there is an upward trend in the usage of mobile devices. So this means that the web developers often have to create a multiple versions of the website to provide a good experience of users for all screen sizes. Also, website owners have to create a responsive web design or create a business app to offer a good experience for all devices. So it's really important to have a close look at how our mobile devices and users interact with the website so that we can find out if there are significant areas to be addressed. It is important to segment out the traffic as the way people interact with each device is different. Luckily, GA has the ability to separate out the mobile, desktop and tablet traffic. Looking at the data on different devices, we just open the audience tab, select mobile and overview. The data is collected for the past 4 months. Unfortunately, we don't have tablet traffic for the 4 set period. Looking at the available data, we can dig deep to each segment to see which devices should be tested more frequently. Also, we can pinpoint certain devices that can present bugs in our app more often. Clicking on the pie chart icon over here, we can see the share of traffic each device gets. So looking at this, we can note that the mobile users contribute to 3/4 of the total users, which is a good sign. Now let's get into the metrics. Sessions. Mobile users make up to 80% of the entire sessions. So which point the progress of a website. This is shown in the pie chart over here. And the next metric is session duration. We choose the comparison tool to compare the data traffic. This tool shows how a metric is performing compared to the site average. We can see that mobile users spend more time than the desktop users. Let's get to another important metric, bounces. Mobile users have more bounces than the desktop users, that is 80%. This is a significant information about the user experience. Looking at the bounce rate, it is the same situation where mobile users have more bounce rate than the desktop users. Now we can dive deeper into the mobile devices used by the users. It shows the bounce rate for each type of a device. Let's have a look at the browsers with all the data. It shows the user's sessions bounce rate for every browser, that is Safari, Chrome, Edge and Safari in-app. Analyzing all the data, we can conclude that the bounce rate and bounces are more for the mobile users. So the user is not getting the right information he needed. This contributes for the bad mobile user experience. There can be many reasons for this. Some widgets are not supported on phone, such as Flash Video Player. Unclickable pop-ups limit a user from using the website on small screen. Elements of the website overlap with each other to make it hidden or unclickable content. All these reasons justify the bad experience for a mobile user. So we need to improve some areas for that. Since most websites have more than over 50% of the mobile traffic, it is very important to get mobile right by identifying the areas of improvement. Here are the few recommendations. Using a split testing software. The other one is picking up different smartphones and tablets and giving a thorough test on each device. It is simple but lengthy. An even better test is to watch a real person perform a task on the website without helping him. A task is given to complete and we note down where they get stuck and discuss their thoughts. Here are the references I have cited my work for. Thank you for the opportunity.